If you're like me, you love Sirke Wale Pyaz or pickled onions with beetroot and vinegar. Hello friends, Ravneet Bhala welcomes you back to her channel. I have already shared a beet onion pickle recipe without vinegar because that one was lacto-fermented. If you are yet to try that out, please do. However, now I have come up with an instant onion pickle recipe that gets ready the same day and onions remain crunchy even after a week in the refrigerator. The easy and simple pickled recipe of onions uses small onions or shallots. You may use big onions and cut them into small pieces. Rinse onions and scrape off their skin. However, do not throw away the skin as we can use them to make hair tonic. If you are using shallots, make a crisscross sign. We want the onion to remain intact. Next, keep some water for boiling. We want it to be bubbling hot. Mind it. Take a sterilized glass jar. Throw in chopped beetroot. I have used one beetroot whole. Layer onions and beetroot. I have taken around 20 to 25 onions. Add salt, pour hot water and leave some space for apple cider vinegar. Now the amount of vinegar should be 1/4 of that of water. That means if you are using 1 cup of water, you need 1/4 cup of vinegar. And now you might ask whether you can use the normal vinegar. Yes, you can, but I don't buy normal vinegar. I always prefer apple cider vinegar, and I have already shown a video how to make apple cider vinegar at home. Shake the jar, close the jar and shake. Let it cool down before shifting it to the refrigerator. The onion pickle stays good for several days in the fridge. Onions retain some of their crunch even after 7 days. I suggest making a week's batch. Eat the beetroot onion pickle fresh. I hope you found the pickled onions recipe easy. If you did, do not forget to like the video and share it with your health freak friends. And if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, please do it now because you will find an abundance of healthy recipes on Ravneet Bhala's channel. Stay tuned, stay blessed, stay safe. Take care. Bye bye. See you soon.